here we are again. We're going to be doing a new review from the Lowe's Loop program. We got this product for free, so to give our honest opinion, this is the Bora rip guide. So in theory this should help us for doing a lot of ripping, mainly sheet goods like OSB and any of those kind of products. So let's open it up and see how it goes. It's another crazy windy day here in Netherlands, Colorado, but now I've had a good time to be able to use the rip guide, and I can give you now my proper review. So first off, let me show you how I place the circular saw in this case. I don't know what you might do, use this DeWalt. So basically it goes flush against this edge. There's a nice little plasticky like stop that holds it in place on the front. And then on the back, there's this little nice shoe thing that moves back and forth to adjust to your saw. In my paper review, I had made a mistake and I thought it was hitting right here, but that was a mistake on my part, user error, mostly because I was a little bit rushed to get it reviewed on paper. So now that said, let me show you some features. So first off, like I mentioned, there's this guy that moves back and forth to adjust to your circular saw or whatever you're using. Then we have this little knob thing that moves back and forth to adjust to whatever you're trying to cut to the length. Once it's in place, you set it and then it's locked. This is one of my potential concerns, the fact that this is plastic. I'm not 100% sure this will last over a long period of time, but at this point in time I cannot say there will be a problem, so far so good. And then finally, another nice thing here is as you're ripping, it's holding really nicely here the material on one side and then on the top, so it has like a 90-degree both axis holding. So as you slide it, it actually slides very nicely. So yeah, so that said, in the paper review I gave it like 4 stars due to the plastic weaknesses. I think you have to be very careful with it, because if you throw it into the back of your truck with a bunch of other tools, I think it could easily break once again due to the plastic. But if you take care of it, I think it can last a while. So yeah, we got this product for free from the Lowe's Loop program. Thank you very much. Just be aware that we didn't pay for it, but so far we do like it. Like I said, my concern is the plastic, but yeah, thank you, Lowe's, and let us know if you would like us to review a different product. See you in the next one.